Find Simba.
Can you turn the shirt on? See if you can find it. See if you can get it. It's really cute.
I want to look for Simba. Simba! I'll do it in a minute. Okay. Simba! We lost Simba! Mom, call his name.
Simba!
Simba!
No. She thinks a new build might be the way to go.
Simba! Simba!
Let's take Monty out pee real quick.
Okay, I can find Simba out there.
Okay, you want to grab a bag under the thing? Please.
Simba! Oh, that's smaller. Simba. He has to be out there.
Oh.
He has to be out there.
And just passed out. Did you grab a bag? No. Like a grocery bag.
That's smaller. This is not what the bags are.
Come on, Monty. Come on, go. I see him top sleeping. In the window. See him?
No.
Jay, what's up?
What? Oh. Wait, I heard meowing. Wait. No, I heard. You hear that?
Maybe he's in the laundry room.
No, I checked in there.
Maybe.
Yes, I did. That's not up there. That. Yeah. There. Simba. You can go poop on this side. I'll try to find Simba. No. Can you stop real quick, Mom? Can you stop real quick, Mom?
Let's go to the right.
Simba! We lost Simba, guys. Simba! Monty, is Monty my dog? Monty. Do you think Simba's out here or no? look inside again? Should I look inside again in the house? Okay. I know. Okay, the purple thing's the spot is so off. The purple thing again. It's not purple thing, it's my hair. My hair fell off.
And you brought it back.
My dog. Not my dog. He's spinning in circles.
Give me that back.
And pick up that other poop that he did.
Corey. No. Leave it. You do this. Go to the bathroom.
Monty?
Monty.
Uh-oh. I'm sorry. Monty!
Corey.
Hey,
not
bring her in the
okay.
house. Don't leave her out there. No, bring her in the house. I don't care. She can't act that way.
Go.
What's here? Honey, this dog is so annoying.
Oh, that the other dog was barking at?
Yeah. Shut up. Throw it back. Throw it back away.
This is not fake hair. This is real hair, guys. Like, trust me. I dyed my hair like yesterday. Yeah, I dyed my hair yesterday. My hair just purple. I did have the hair still on it. Monty's so bad. Why would it he?
Can you get your dog, please? No duh. Got a baby in my hands.
She didn't even say sorry. No, the boy and the mom.
Well, mom's mom.
But she didn't say sorry.
Okay. Come on. No. Keep it out, dog. Go lock him in the cage.
Okay. I don't. Okay.
Dogs get in trouble when they.
Monty, come on. Monty, come here.
Come on, Monty, now.
Starting at $397. Now
Go.
Last weekend.
Phoenix and audiences cheering. Its
Come here.
tomato score is
Come
soaring.
here. Monty, come here now.
Film says it demands
Come
to be
here.
seen
Go
on the
inside.
biggest screen possible.
Go.
Alpha, rated PG-13. Now play.
I'll try that. Monty, come here. Monty. Monty, come here.
Chocolate dipped mixed fruit box.
Oh my
Half
god.
off all month. Immzvw is a resort community. It's all about outdoor lifestyle here.
It's an oasis, and we want to get that lifestyle feeling into our home.
All new Desert Clippers, Tuesday night at 9 on HGTV. Also available streaming on the HGTV app.
Mommy.
You know we love old stuff
Mommy,
like
that's
this, you know.
Mom.
Artsy couples Adam and Kate are looking for a unique home in Seattle
Monty.
with space to show off their collectibles. With a $700,000 budget, they've seen a live workspace with room for a gallery on the first floor and the modern style they want. The place was totally move-in ready and close to the bar they own, but it was small and there was no yard. Now they're seeing a larger place, but it's a full 25 minutes from their business.
It's just really far away. It's very residential.
I like it. Uh-oh. This could be it. This is a strange box. I like the doors. This is really awkward, though.
It's like right on the busy road. It's kind of hideous. It does definitely look like it used to be a store or something. It's really weird.
Whoa.
Well, I know it's really unusual. I hope you're not vegetarians, because the rumor has it used to be a meat market and a grocery store.
Oh.
It's got 3 bedrooms and 1 3/4 bath, and you're gonna love the price. It's $399,950.
That's great.
Whoa.
Originally built in 1948, but someone's remodeled it over the years.
Is that a wet bar over there?
It is.
A beautiful wood top?
Oak. I don't know if
Not
it's
really.
beautiful.
Just kidding.
Ceilings are great.
Monty.
Yeah, it's really nice. And the windows are super tiny. There's carpet all over the place.
This is really awesome.
Well, when you can remodel, you said you weren't scared of a fixer.
No, I'm definitely. I like the idea. I can see potential. I can sort of picture just already tearing down this room, opening it up. You know, this place is pretty far from modern. However, I see these walls
Come
sort
here
of
now.
way being open. This could be a modern structure.
Adam definitely is more of a visionary, so he can kind of picture how he would redo it. I kind of get stuck on the details, like the little windows, and so he's trying to explain it, but I'm still a little confused.
Obviously, it used to be a child's room.
Carpets,
Disgusting.
horrible. This room is horrible, basically.
They head upstairs to see another bedroom.
It's like a bed
It's a
platform.
platform. You just put your mattress up here.
What is this?
It's your lovely balcony.
It's like a mudroom.
But be careful when you step out there.
I think we might have a
Get over here.
mountain view out here, though.
Oh, that's kind
That'd
of
be great.
Take a look at some of these built-ins that they have.
weird. Why would you put these here?
Is this
That.
legal?
No. Very careful. I'm not sure any of it's legal.
Back downstairs, they see the main living quarters.
It looks like they kind of tried to do a little bit of remodeling in here, as opposed to the rest of the house. You know, at least hardwood floors instead of carpets around.
Yeah, they're beautiful maple. In the kitchen, it's a little rough, but I know you can use your imagination.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
These are definitely really insanely old.
they're
Oh
horrible.
my gosh.
I'm not gonna keep on
These are
doing
definitely
that.
really old.
Oh,
Ew.
Yeah.
that is big.
Yeah, there's some old for sure.
Yeah, but look at the great backyard.
Bye guys. Hope you like this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. So yeah, love you guys. Peace.